I start?
Yeah, please. Thank you so much.
Yeah, so yesterday when we did the process, I didn't get any kind of message or I didn't have any kind of experience during the session. But when the session ended, I was disturbed that I couldn't get through the process so well like the others did. And I got myself distracted by watching a movie, but this thing didn't go out. Now, when Gitanjali asked me what is your experience, I told her that I had this heaviness in my eyes and on my head, and later on, when I was alone in the house, I saw a magnificent vision that was happening with me. I could see with my physical eyes, but at the same time, there was this another vision that was happening with me where I was standing in front of a window and I could see huge angels and a pathway, and these angels were standing across both the pathways, and there was a mid pathway that was going by, and these angels were magnificent. They were magnificent creatures, very beautiful. I really could say I had a heavenly experience then. And this experience didn't stop there in the night before going to sleep. Again, I had the message coming to me that this is your reward for what you're doing. And I had these angels covering me with their wings, and I was sleeping like a small baby under their wings, and I slept too well for ages. I mean, might not have slept that well,
That's
but
good.
I had this. Yeah, that was too
very
good.
Nice that you slept well. So finally you got your experience, right?
Yes.
I think so Tanushree also had an experience, right? You saw something during the meditation yesterday. You are on mute, Tanushree.
I also shared my experience on WhatsApp group yesterday just after the session. So during the session, initially I told that the major issue which I'm working on is basically my PCOD issue. And then during the session, I saw a mermaid which was telling me that the message for me was that just go with the flow. So this is my habit that after the sessions, I usually Google the information to know more about whatever I saw. So when I saw about the vision of mermaid, I got that message again. The same thing, that is the going with the flow thing. And mermaids, when you visualize mermaid, it basically helps you in fertility issues. So these were the two things which were correlating with the information which I saw during that meditation. So for me, this experience was very amazing because I was able to correlate both the things. And I was very excited after seeing this.
So I'm very happy that people are sharing. Sundar, you wanted to share something. Can you please tell me? And tell the entire group. See, it is very important to listen, because when we listen, we understand and we get a lot of information which we will not get if you are doing a small class or, one-to-one class. Believe me, it makes a lot of shift. Yes, Mr. Sundar, you are on mute.